Hello guys, my name is Dennis, thanks for coming to my channel, and today I'm going to check the FSD BETA version 11.4.2 in Manhattan, New York. Let me start driving, because it looks like the beta is not available now. Okay, now it's available. I'm going to double tap here, and we're ready to go. Let's see how the beta is going to perform here. And we're going to go straight. Over there is some construction, and it's a stop sign. Let's see, and it's a pedestrians. Let's see how the beta is going to perform here. And let's start driving. Very nice. Okay, disengage the beta because pedestrians crossing. Okay, and I press a little bit accelerator when I engage it. Let's see how the beta is going to perform here. It's slowing down because of the construction, I think. I think the beta not going to be able to perform here. I'm going to disengage the beta because over here is already sidewalk, but we could drive there. And okay, let me try to engage the beta here. Let's see. Oh, that was so fast. I disengaged the beta because I'm a little bit scared. Okay, let me engage the beta again. Okay, beta engaged here. Let me engage it. Okay, the beta is on. Let's see how the beta is gonna perform here. Oh, I see over there is the traffic. I don't think that we're gonna move right now to that left lane, but of course the beta didn't see that. Alright, so we're going straight. And the beta decided to, why you stop here, beta? I don't know why the beta stopped here. And it's slowing down again for no reason, it just stopped here. I'm not understand why. And I don't think that's a great decision here. Okay, and it just stopped. We're not supposed to turn here. Because you can see on the map we're supposed to go straight and then turn it, but we'll see. And the beta wants to go straight here. You know what, guys, I'm gonna disengage the beta and I'm gonna turn here by myself, because otherwise I'm never gonna be able to turn here. I hope I'm not gonna go to the tunnel, because we don't need to go to the New Jersey. Let's see here. Let's see if the beta gonna figure out that we here. I hope the beta gonna turn on the next light. Okay, I'm engaged the beta, and we'll see what's gonna be. And we're stuck here at the traffic, and I see the green light there, and nobody moves. Actually, we're gonna start moving right now. Let's see if we can be able to turn here left. Yes, it looks like I see the navigation that we could be able to turn here left. But anyway, let's see how the beta gonna perform that. Okay, the beta turn on the blinkers. Let's see. Anyway, we're gonna stay here for another light. Alright, it's a green light, and we should start moving forward and moving to the left lane. Beta, come on, you can move right now. There is a bunch of space. Oh, very good. The beta did that. So that's going to apply some pressure. Okay, and why? I don't know why the beta stopped for the traffic control. Where we see the traffic light, I don't know. Crazy. Okay, now the beta moves to that middle lane. Alright, green light. We're proceeding forward. Again, I don't know why did the beta stop here. I'm not sure what's the beta doing. Just making crazy stops for no reason here. I'm surprised that the beta didn't scare for those pedestrians. Oh, and now it's a very good road here. My camera gonna be shaking like, I don't know, like crazy. make here a little bit harsh stop. Just gonna press a little bit accelerator because I want to be a little bit closer to that car. And I'm using the average mode here. I think, yeah, average mode. Alright, so now it's a green light and we should start moving forward. We hear a little bit of traffic, but that's alright, it's not crazy. Just gonna touch the wheel. Alright, so over here we're gonna turn right. Let's see how they're gonna perform that. I'm gonna try to not touch nothing. Okay, better stop, better let those pedestrian go, and it's still moving a little bit forward. Oh, that was cool. Come on. Okay, nice. The beta did great here, actually. It let those pedestrians go, and it moves right away. It's slowing down a little bit here because of the open door. And we should go straight, and then after that we're gonna turn on the west side highway. And we're gonna be going on the west side highway till the battery tunnel. On the battery tunnel, this version of the beta, it's not working. Let's see if the beta gonna pass that car. Because we should go straight, this car is turning, and the beta waiting for that car to turn. I think it's not that great. I think it would be better if the beta, and now again is that kind of road. And yeah, it would be better if the beta just does that car, not waiting. Alright. And we're still gonna go straight here. Let's see. The pedestrian's not gonna come. Okay, very good. Good. And the beta choose the right lane actually. Because the road is not great, but the lane is great. And over here we're gonna turn right. I mean left. Yeah, I have problem with left and right. Okay. Yeah, and over here we're gonna turn left. And we perfectly stop on the red light. Alright, it's green light, and we start moving forward. Let's see here how the beta gonna turn. Okay, just slowing down here for no reason. I press accelerator. I just don't understand why the beta is slowing down here. Okay, let's see how the beta. I press accelerator, because otherwise the beta gonna just stop. Okay, and we perfectly turn here, but I gotta tap the accelerator. And in a 0.7 miles, we're gonna go to the battery tunnel. But this version of the beta is not working in the battery tunnel. It's trying to go there like 9 miles per hour. And I think here on the west side is going to be no problems because we're just going to go straight. Let's see if they're going to pass that light. Yes, we did it actually on the yellow light. The light's not even turned the red. Very good. And over here, we should stop. Okay, actually very nice and easy stop. Okay. And after I said that, I just trying to stop harder. Alright, green light and we're proceeding forward right away. I really like that in the version 11. And let's see if the beta gonna be able to go to the battery tunnel. Because to get in the battery tunnel, there is always some cones and some strange moves. Maybe not gonna be this time, because the both lanes are open. Okay, the beta slowing down, I think because of the pedestrians. The beta see these pedestrians. And let's see what the beta gonna do here. The beta now was so close to the cones. And now the beta just gonna drive here. I thought the beta gonna drive in the middle of the road, but no. The beta choose to be in the right lane. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna be. Ah no, we're just gonna go straight here. I think it's not gonna be a problem for the beta. Okay. And let's see if the beta can be able to drive here. 10 miles per hour. Let's see. The beta is slowing down. Now guys, the beta is not working here. I'm gonna disengage the beta. And I don't know, that thing that I have to say something is not working. I mean, I have to press the other one. This version of the beta doesn't work in the battery tunnel. I accidentally pressed the wrong button to say that. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post next video soon. Thank you, bye guys, bye.